doing? What are you doing? What are you doing?
I'm giving you a search. Don't
That's not a search. That's not a search.
Yeah. Turn away from me.
That's not a search.
Turn away from me.
Hey,
I don't want you looking at me.
I don't care.
Lavinga's gonna swap you off.
Can you put my vape in my pocket?
No.
Yeah, I got it. Let it go.
Can I hit it one time?
Let it go.
I just got tased in my ass.
That's why you don't know to people's tasers.
Why did you tase me?
Because you weren't getting
You're so
out.
pretty, by the way. But why?
Hey, sir, you throwing me off. How you go from that to hitting on the officer? You wanted to be touched, then you just want to tussle with the women's. Yo, what's poppin', GE? Gang, it's your boy Fushika. We are back with another banger reaction video. It's a prequel to Friday, which means it's pre-Friday, which means it's Thursday, really, on a Thursday night tip, you know what I'm saying? Random thought. When I get done with this video, I'm about to go smash some Captain Crunch. Like, I got a sweet tooth. Yeah, I'm about to go smash some Captain Crunch after this. Like, yeah. If you know, you know. How about people doing today, though, man? It's pre-Thursday. I mean, pre-Friday. Pre-Friday. Shit's going down. It's a shit show outside. I'm sure you already know what's coming. And for some people, it's already here. So we're going to do our part to keep everybody entertained, laughing through all the whatever's going on outside these walls, okay? With that being said, we about to tap into a video that I got sent from my people. He tased... Whoa. Hold on. He tased two female officers... Hold on. So, hold on. You trying to tell me that two female officers got their tasers taken? Like, or did he have his own taser? Because I need a taser. Because I'm assuming this is him. Maybe it's not him. I don't know. We're going to find out. Somebody getting tased. We about to see how this go. This is about to be good. Thank you for all my people sending me the videos. We knocking them down. Keep sending me the videos. Follow me on Instagram, Fushnika_ENT. Send me the videos there. Send me a DM with a copy and paste a link to the video you want me to react to in there. Please and thank you. And I'm trying to get my following up on Instagram. I'm trying to get to the 5K. So help your boy out. You know what I'm saying? The love is strong, the community is strong. So let's keep on tapping in and having fun. And we're gonna keep on giving back and doing what we do. And we don't pay nobody else no attention. Misery loves company, and we don't want their company. How about that? We got our own company, and we doing just fine over here. So yeah. Let's get this video to 60,000 views, 30K likes, 7,000 shares. You gotta go big or go home. I don't care. Going big or go home. That's what type of time we on. That's me. That's you. That's us. Let's find out what's going down. Taser.
On March 18th, 2025, officers got a call about a man who refused to leave a woman's car.
So, are you friends with Megan?
Yeah, she's my best friend.
Okay, so Megan, this is Megan's car.
Yeah.
So she's got to talk to us.
Yeah, talk to her. What do you mean? Besides that?
Megan, what's going
Tell
on?
me I'm in the ghetto without telling me.
Where's the chicken?
Residents, right? How do you know him? Know his name or anything like that?
What are you doing touching that?
My phone from this random
She's
elderly lady that snatched it out.
Can I come over there and talk to you?
For any of this,
Hey, you don't dictate the rules, okay?
I'm just trying to get my property that got snatched from me because I'm being a calm individual.
Okay, we'll talk to her.
Hey, bud, what's your name?
Okay, we'll talk to her.
That doesn't matter. I haven't done nothing wrong. I just want my cellular device. That's a $1,500 phone.
So she has
Cellular device? Who says that?
Snatched it. Like I was sitting here smoking a cigarette.
Give me the phone, please. We're going to try to figure this out. Thank you. Okay, I have your phone. Get out of the vehicle.
She came to pick me up.
Megan
Hold
did.
on, let me see. Did that police? Let me see. What city is this?
Okay, I have your phone.
Shit, hold on.
We're going to try to figure this out. Thank you.
Ain't that about a... Listen. I knew it. I'm like, I know vehicles that look like that. That is the city I live in. That is fucking Lakewood. I knew this looked familiar. Oh, I can't wait to send this motherfucker to my brothers. This is... Okay, bet. I knew it.
Okay, I have your phone. Get out of the vehicle.
She came to pick me up.
Megan did.
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
She picked me up from here to take me home.
Here's your phone. Get out of the vehicle.
No.
Does Megan want him in there?
No, she wants him out so she can leave.
Megan doesn't want you in the car. So get out or we're going to rip you out.
You're not gonna rip me out of nothing because I haven't done anything wrong.
What?
So right now you're in somebody's car that does not want you in the car. Okay? So your two options are to get
I'm gonna
out.
sell you.
No, you can get out and I'll give it to you.
She tried that.
You either get out or we're going to take you out. Because right now you're trespassing.
Don't touch me.
Huh?
Don't touch me.
Whoa.
Megan, you don't want
Sir?
him in here, correct?
Absolutely not. She's trying to go eat breakfast. She's been telling him to get out for an hour now.
McDonald's and nope.
An hour
It
I've been
started
trying to
because
leave you.
I wanted to sit in the car while she ordered the food.
Okay. So she doesn't want to be here.
She's the one that
Got all my
drove
neighbors
Huh?
out here.
here. She's the one that drove here. I haven't done nothing but sit here with my seatbelt
Okay.
buckled.
So if you had a car, listen. So if you had a car, listen.
Tyrone. It's always the Tyrone.
I'm not
Tyrone.
sending you nowhere. I'm gonna send you somewhere else.
You're sending me
To your grandma's.
His last name. I don't know why we're even like negotiating. He needs to get up out
No,
of
I'm
his
trying to
car.
figure out if he has warrants first. Hey, Megan, for now, let's just back off because we're gonna rip him out eventually.
That's not. You're gonna rip him out.
Eventually.
That's not necessarily what needs to be done. That's not good for him.
What's your last name?
That
Ma'am,
doesn't matter.
Okay.
you either want him in or you want him out. Well, you called us here. You can't say that ain't necessary. That's a good friend. Whatever you just said. What are you talking about? You ain't gonna waste our time. Because now that you called us here, we're gonna do our job. But if he doesn't get out because you said you want him out, we're gonna pull him out. And then whatever happens after that happens. What Lakewood? What? In my neck of the woods? Hey, that's why I stay in the house. I told y'all.
So if you had a car, okay, and you let somebody get in it and whatever you guys were doing, and then all of a sudden you want them out and they don't get out, what would you do? You know what I'm saying?
I didn't do anything wrong. Like, I didn't do anything. I've been getting tripped on since I got picked up.
It doesn't matter though.
Yes, it does.
Okay.
Yes, it does. If we have an agreement, you're finna come get me because you have to drop me off at... I just met him today. This is the house I was staying in. Okay. She dropped me off here because she had to go do something. I was like, okay, that's fine, but I need you to come get me and take me home. Mm-hmm. So when she got back, and got me,
So here's the thing, okay, bud?
and she's tripping on me off the Richter.
But you're making this a lot
Off the
harder than it
Richter.
needs to be. And what's going to happen is we have another unit coming here, and we're going to rip you out of this car.
That's fine.
When you could just literally get out and you can walk away. Do you understand that?
Just be FYI, he has a knife on him.
If you guys take me in, I'll get medical attention. So
From where? We ain't taking you to the hospital. We're taking you to jail. If we have to rip you out of this car, we're taking you to jail.
you won't have
Okay, why are you not wanting
Brody.
to get out?
because she's supposed to take me home.
But she's not inclined to do anything she doesn't want to do. You cannot force her to take you somewhere.
Just because you don't feel like...
Will you take your seatbelt off?
No, please don't. Can I have my phone?
So, just like my partner said, you can have your phone
That is
when you get out of the car.
completely asinine. It doesn't make sense at all.
He's refusing to get out. Megan doesn't
Sir,
want
is
him
it
in the
mental
car.
thing? What are we doing?
He said, "I'll get out when I get my
And it's
phone
three
back." I got his
women,
phone.
three
He's
police
still
officer
refusing to
women.
get out.
Where's his phone?
And I put it in Kayla's car in case it went hands on.
Every time I see you, dog, I'm
Tyrell, I guess. That's
No,
all we
you're
know.
not gonna touch him. Just stop.
Tyrell, I guess.
And it's spelled with an I because I'm an individual. You know,
What's your last name?
that doesn't matter.
What's your date of birth?
You're an
That
individual,
doesn't
that's why it's
matter.
spelled with an I.
Okay, quit reaching for things.
get out the car and you won't.
Get out.
I have a notebook in my hand.
Okay. You need to get out of the car because she doesn't want you in the car. So we're to the point where we're going to trespass you. And then if you don't get out of the car, then you're going to go to jail for trespassing. You're going to get ripped out of the vehicle and taken to jail. You understand that? So you have two options. Get out and walk away or get ripped out and go to jail.
Either you can continue to try and abuse your.
How am I
place
abusing my
or
power?
Power.
How?
How
How?
did you know what I was finna say?
Hey,
This
isn't your car though. Look,
I understand that. I
we
understand
explain
that.
that
I
to you?
understand that.
She just one more opportunity to get out of the car
And I honestly
peacefully.
appreciate you because it's an approach like yours that is needed more and more.
But it's still not working. So at the same time, there has to be people like her that are very directive and telling you to get out of the car because you're not listening.
I'm not gonna follow that neither.
Okay.
And hold on.
Then get out.
We're still talking.
We ain't holding
No!
you. No, this doesn't work on
Too
you.
much yapping. Get to zapping.
Why are you doing this? You're being weird, my friend. Get your arm this way. Okay, you're gonna break your arm or you're gonna get out. Okay. Do you just want to get
Taser?
You just want to get tased?
Yes.
Why are you?
Get out of the car. Get out of the car.
Back up. You guys are surrounding me. You're about to tase me for no reason.
Yes, step
Come
out
on with it.
Get out of the car. Step out of the vehicle.
That's a threat. That is a threat. That is a threat. Stop. I am not doing nothing.
Get out of the car. Get out of the vehicle.
Stop.
You've been
Stop, please.
Ma'am.
Get out of the vehicle.
Stop, please.
Get out of the vehicle.
Stop, please. Stop, please.
Get out.
Yeah. All up in the fundio. Come on. Oh, he kicked. What did he do? Kick her?
Let go. Let go of the taser.
Getting out! God damn! Man, bro! What the? I didn't do nothing! I didn't do nothing! What the? I told you you're sending me to jail!
You got him.
You're sending me to jail! I just got tased, shot in my ass, all types of shit! You're using excess. What the you mean?
Resisting.
How am I resisting? And I'm.
Stop tightening your
What the are you talking about? Hit the fucking gym!
Whoa, buddy.
Because I wanted to sit in the car while you ordered the food?
You got him. Let's go.
Why are you yanking me?
Because you clearly don't know how to listen.
What are you talking about?
Let's go.
You don't know how to listen either. I was sitting there.
Let's go.
Stop trying to manhandle me.
Well, I'm gonna listen. Sit
I'm
down.
not gonna go like that.
Sit down.
I want to sit. I can stand here. I'm not resisting nothing.
Clearly you are. He grabbed my chair.
You don't have to do that.
I have to search you.
And that's simply Okay. What are you doing? What are you doing? What are you doing?
I'm giving you a search. Don't
That's
talk
not
to
a
me.
search. That's not a search.
Yeah. Turn away from me.
That's not a search.
Turn away from me.
Hey,
I don't want you looking at me.
I don't care.
Wabinga's gonna swap you off.
Can you put my vape in my pocket?
No.
Yeah, I got it. Let it go.
Can I hit it one time?
Let it go.
I just got tased in my ass.
That's why you don't lie to people's tasers.
Why did you tase me?
Because you weren't getting
You're so
out.
pretty, by the way. But why?
Hey, sir, you throwing me off. How you go from that to hitting on the officer? You wanted to be touched, then you just want to tussle with the woman's. You're pretty, by the way. Like, keep on doing what you're doing. You know what I'm saying? Like, sir, what's up with your maperies? You got tased in your fundio? You said you tased me in my ass. That's fundio in Spanish if you didn't know. You asked for it. I think you got off on it. And the fact that it was a woman? Hey, you try to touch her hand while you getting... Sir, this is unnecessary. This is crazy. You're pretty, by the way. That's insanery talk. I ain't gonna lie to you.
Because you weren't getting out. You weren't listening to them. Does that make sense? You're not listening. You're not getting out. You're actively grabbing onto the doors and everything like that.
For what? You did a great job.
Heather, you good?
Yeah.
What?
Yeah, I did.
You tased me in my ass.
Which car?
Is that Johnny Sanders?
We saw it!
Your car here.
I like him a little bit.
It's not me.
I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry.
They're clear fired with
What?
It's not my fault, but I apologize.
Where'd you get hit at?
In my ass.
In your butt?
Hey, this is my sergeant right here.
On the left side. On my speaker tattoo. That shit hurt. You zip up my jacket, please?
Can you look at my sergeant right
Are you hurt, man? I'm the supervisor.
That's something hurt.
Where you hurt at?
My pride.
Oh, man.
That's up.
I'll give you a hug. You're in handcuffs.
I can't take you seriously, Brody. I mean, you telling the truth. Nobody would have ever said that, especially a man. A man ain't gonna let you that his ego and his pride is bruised. I got to give you kudos on that, sir, because I don't even think, hey, shake my hand, because I don't think I would have did that. I just would have been quiet. I ain't about to let this, especially around the women, and I think they pretty, I'm not gonna say, He said, listen, I'm hurt. Where? My pride. I mean, I don't even know what to say. I kind of like you, sir. I kind of like you. I ain't gonna lie. Look, you know what I'm saying? You the calm little turn up. You know what I'm saying? Like, what are we? You know what you're doing. You just want to be touched by the women. I get it. You go to jail for this. Man, you can go get touched somewhere else. Man, you can go get the... Sir, they have the Asian shops. Happy endings. Go get touched all you want to, okay? I'm just saying.
Yeah, that shit was funny.
One more behind.
Hold on. No.
This is a dry stun, and then he grabbed onto my taser, and it deployed and hit Heather.
He grabbed your taser
Yep.
Tased me before I
and hit you.
Can I?
Did
The other prong went into my fucking leg.
The one went in mine. I don't think mine actually pronged.
No, mine full on went into my leg.
I'm just standing here trying to talk to you. Why do I have to sit down? That makes me feel even less of a man than I already am at this moment. Can I just sit?
I'm saying nicely to you. Have a seat in the vehicle.
Can I lean against the?
No, have a seat in the vehicle.
Yeah, let's go.
Hey, damn.
Sit in the car.
I was already leaning inside the car.
No, you weren't.
Yes,
My camera shows that you weren't.
It doesn't.
Are you good? So this is what happened.
What the fuck? What the fuck, bro? I don't let you sleep in my house. I don't let you come in.
I'm gonna read you something. Grabbed onto my taser, pulled the trigger, and it deployed onto them.
Did his hand pull the trigger?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, and that's when
we got
both of you.
No, Heather did though. I didn't even know this was in me until I got over here.
Because it's going to be hard for assault 3.
Assault 3 on a police officer.
You got to cry. You can't be smiling like that.
So quick, I don't touch my hand. I gotta break the fucking... Dude, when that happened, I tried not to get it.
Okay.
I was like, oops.
Let me shut this off.
Do you have any questions, sir? Did we ID him?
Not for you. You're a bitch. Get out my face.
Ooh.
All right.
Ooh.
I'm actually outside the car. I'm not in
I don't
your
give
face. So you know
You also look like a bird. You look like you belong in a tree. Toucan face looking ass. Shut the fuck up talking to me. I don't want to talk to you.
Okay, you're being audio video recorded in the back.
I don't give a
Okay.
I'm within
I just have
all
to tell
of my
you.
rights.
All right.
I can talk my shit.
Okay.
It don't matter.
You're under arrest.
He was charged with assault 3, resisting arrest, criminal trespass, malicious mischief 3rd, and misdemeanor assault. Share your thoughts below.
I don't care. I liked him. I did. He was a little bit bipolar. I liked him though. He was honest bipolar. He told the truth. He just wanted to be touched, and he thought she was pretty, and his ego was bruised. And he said the officer looked like Toucan Sam. Supposed to be in a tree type, not in the suitery. Whoa, sir. Oh my God. Officer, you let him take your taser. You let him shoot the other woman in the leg on her tattoo. He said, you tased me right in my fundio. That's ass in Spanish. And on the speaker box, that's a tattoo right there. Sir, TMI. TMI. We ain't asked you for that. You're too much. We saw you were tased. We needed to know what's under the jeans. That's between you and God. Drop down in the comment section, man. You can't make none of this shit up. I mean, it didn't have to go like that, but I see why it went like that. I think all their egos are bruised. Even the woman officer, especially getting tased. That got to be an ego bruise. Getting called Toucan Sam got to be an ego bruise too. Everybody's ego is bruised. I'm just saying, tell that in the comment section, but we're going to keep going and going. We're going to keep on laughing. We're going to keep on roasting people. We're going to watch people get roasted. Why are they getting arrested and acting a foolery? This is fun to me. I can do this shit all day long, man. We on to the next one. It's your boy Fushka. I'm going to catch you guys down in the comment section. That's a show. Let's get to it.